guys, so welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. I am beautiful, awesome, beautiful. So let's show you how I color my hair. So the color that I'm going to use today is the Cream of Nature Ginger Blonde and Exotic Shine Color with Argan Oil and Morocco. Fade resistant formula, rich vibrant color tone, double condition and treatment, and infused with argan oil. So this is the color I'm using for my hair. So now I got five things that come into this color. I know I showed you this color already, but this is, so I have a small bottle of argan treatment oil here in the box, and then I have this intensive conditioner treatment also in the box, and I also have this high lift booster blonde powder in ginger, and then I also have this Cream of Nature gel hair color, this one here. And I also have this one here, which is the Cream of Nature Cream Gel Hair Color. So these are two of the product. So let's put on our gloves. I know you can see the scarf still at my nose here where I had the cold sore. It's better, but it still leave me a mark. So whenever I'm gonna go out, I have to cover this because I don't want it. So I have one plastic container here, and I am going to pour the color. I'm gonna pour the color into this. So this is how the color is, and you can see I have on the gloves on my hand. So this is how the color is here. It is a white substance of this color here. It doesn't give me breakage or anything in my hair. What I always do whenever I color my hair, I would use a treatment hair mask in my hair, so make sure that my hair doesn't in the bowl. Now I'm gonna put this in it, and this is the other product here that come into the box. So I'm gonna put that on it. I show you it. It's also white, so I'm gonna put it in this here. So I am going to use a toothbrush here to mix the product. So you can see the color start to change into this because I have the booster in it. And that is what gives me this blonde to my hair. But it's not smell really good. It's not a smelly product that smell really great. Sort of have a really high scent to it whenever you're mixing it. So this is how it looks, and I'm gonna use it in my hair now. So I will use my hand, and I'll keep rub it to my hair. And one of the reasons why I love this color, because it does last long in my hair. It covers like all my grays and stuff in my hair. I usually like to color my hair like every 6 weeks around. Usually one time I would color it more often, but now I decided not to do that. So I like every 6 or 5 weeks I would put color in my hair. I will leave it there for like 30 minutes. Then I would wash it out. I'll wash it out of my hair. Strong can smell like when you're using peroxide. Very strong smell. You can see tears coming from my eyes because it's that strong. I'm cleaning out the container, you can see. And this is how my hair looks. So now I'm gonna leave it here for 30 minutes. I'm not gonna go under any heat. I'm just gonna leave it for 30 minutes and then I will wash it out. So I'm gonna put a plastic cap over it so it can stay in my hair for 30 minutes. After I wash it out, I will come back and show you the result of my hair. Of this oil. So guys, I finished cutting my hair, cream of nature, and I already washed it out. This is how my hair look. I hope you can see, but this is how my hair look at this moment right now. It's very silky. The oil is so silky here. So let's show you how my hair is right now. It's very, very silky here. Of nature argan buttermilk, leave-in hair milk into my hair. Oh, it's so hard to open. This is a leave-in for my hair. Let's take off the top, so off it. It's really like I'm putting a good amount here into my hair also, so you guys can see it. I know this video is a bit like really foggy, but it is what it is. Here. So then after it wash, my hairline grows so fast, and I know I have to go to the barber to get it shape up, but this is how my hair look right now after from Morocco. The light is really bright, but I hope you guys can see. Styling. So this is how my hair looks. This is what I'm gonna put some of this in my hair. I'm just gonna put it in my hand, middle here, and I'm gonna use my hand and I'm gonna rub it in my hair. I'm going to put some of, and this thing keep your hair like crazy, like. This light is giving me a warm time, yeah. Giving me a warm time. I'm also going to put some more of it into my hair. And I'm going to make sure I rub it in my hair. The other thing I want to say, if you put this styling snack in your hair, don't wait till your hair is dry before you really tie it or wrap it, because if you do, this thing will get on the wrap that you put on your hair, and then it will just like, you know, make your hair feel like cake up on your hair. So then the other day I was going to the gym and I put some in my hair and I wrap my hair. When I go to the gym, I wanted to do some swimming, and all I have to do just wait, get water and take this thing off my hairline. That's how powerful it is. So guys, this is how I color my hair, and I hope you'll do like this video. And if you do, please like this video, share this video, and give me a thumbs up, do comment. And I want to say thank you so much again for watching. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And this was where I have my my cold sore. You can see it's better. I just put a little bit of foundation on it to keep it from not showing that obvious. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, my friend. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay flawless, and I will talk to you in my next upload. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.